Okay, what I'm going to be calling out is S in a number and D in a number. S means staggered, and it's going to be the lead note on the lower of the two strings. And D is going to be the doubled position of the fret that it's on, okay? And it's on the second and third string. Some is on the third and fourth, and there's only one on the fourth and fifth, but mostly it's the second and third. So S11, S9, D7, S6, S4, D2, S5, S7, S5. See how it moved from 2 to 3 to 3 to 4 to 4 to 5, yada yada. So and tied in with D suspended 2, A, and G somehow. And there's some adds.